and welcome back to my channel. So today we are reviewing the brand Comfrt. So Comfrt is a clothing brand that specializes in hoodies and sweatpants, so like cute matching sets, and I really love them because this brand supports mental health and their sweatsuits are like lightly weighted for anxiety. So I really wanted like a cute matching set because fall's coming up. I know I'm gonna be like living in sweatpants and a sweatshirt, and I kept seeing ads for this brand and I thought they seem like really cozy, really comfy, so I had to check it out and give a little review. So my package just got here. I'm like super excited. The shipping was also like super fast. Let's open the package together. So first impressions already, this is like, I can tell it's like a nice thick material because it's like heavy. I got it in the color maroon, so because I really wanted like a cute burgundy color. Ooh, this sweatshirt. And I got the collection, the affirmation collection. So it has like this little saying on the back that says good days ahead. I really like that. It has like a little positive message. And I can just tell, oh my God, the weight of this sweatshirt already. It's like, it also has like this little tag right here, which I think is cute and adds like to the style of it. Oh, it's definitely like slightly weighted, but not like heavy. I love the material. It's like buttery soft like material. I love that. Okay, so that's the sweatshirt. And then I got matching sweatpants. So they have like, either you can do a jogger style or you could do like the flare style, which is the kind I got. I got the flare because I like a wider leg than joggers. There's a time and a place for both, but you know. So I got the sweatshirt in a medium because I wanted it to be like nice and oversized and baggy. And then I got this pants in a small. I'm normally an extra small, but I also wanted it to like feel like baggy and oversized. I really like that feeling in my sweatsuits, especially this was gonna be like slightly heavier than my other ones, so perfect for like colder weather. I love them so far, like super soft. There's a pocket right here with a zipper, which is like perfect for your phone or like whatever you need. I love. Okay, so first impressions, super soft. I love the color. Now let's try it on and see how it feels. Okay. All right, I put the pants on. The waist actually fits because it is a small and I'm more of an extra small, but so that's comfy. They are like a little long, but I like that. Like they're not like too crazy long. They're very comfy. So yeah, they're meant to be a little baggy, a little oversized, slightly weighted. So here's the sweatshirt. I got the sweatshirt in a medium, so it is slightly bigger than like what I would normally wear in a sweatshirt. I probably could have got a small and it would have still been like oversized, but this is gonna be just like a super cozy set for just hanging out, lounging around the house. Oh, I love it. I love it. It's so soft. So the hood, look how cute cool this is. The hood actually like kind of goes up high on the neck, and then the hood is a little heavy, so you can like wear it. And feel cozy. Oh, I really like it. It's really comfortable. All right. See, can we get all the way down? Let me see. Doop. I like it. Can wear it open. So cute. It's like so Honestly, this is so comfy. I love it. Alright, so my review is, it's so comfy. I really love it. I love the like slightly weighted feel. It feels like you're getting like a big hug. It's so comfy. Like I can just tell this quality compared to like my other sweatshirts and stuff is just way better. It's way thicker. It's super soft. I'm obsessed. And this video is not sponsored at all. I just had always seen this brand come up like in sponsored posts and stuff, and like my For You page. I was like, I just need to get. I will leave the product link in the description below. They also have like other styles, so you can get like a pullover. I like zip because, well, one, I'm about to be having a surgery, so I wanted a zip up because it's like easier to take on and off. And I'm going to talk more about that. Like I'm going to do a little life update video. So fall's coming up. So if you're thinking of getting like a matching little hoodie and sweatpants set, I highly recommend them. This is super comfy. I'm definitely going to get another color. I think I want like, they have a lot of neutrals, like beige and tan and brown. And I like that because it can like go with everything. But they also have like a pastel collection, which is like bright colors, which are fun. So yeah, I'm really happy with my purchase, and they're also having like a really big sale right now, so I would go check that out. And thank you guys all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys! I just got back from the thrift store, so here is my thrift haul. But first I got this, the Victorian photo album. Look how cool this is. It's just like a little photo album in like a Victorian style that you can put pictures in. I just thought it was so ribbon to tie it shut. And then I just got 2 candlestick holders for, I got these like cute little pressed flower candlesticks. Flower plates, look how cute. Last thing I got was this. I don't even know what it is. It's like just like a wrought iron hanging thing, but like look how cute it is. I thought I could put it above my bed as like a headboard.